Charms. Today we're gonna do a trade opening package from Miss Kawaii Bunny 16. And I'm not alone. LPS Ashley is here with me. And Jasmine Cute 1. Yep, and Diamond Cute Charms, of course. So first, she sent me this huge envelope right there. And it says a lot of stuff. 2 Diamond Cute Charms from Miss Kawaii Bunny 16. Thank you for trading. Big package. Open carefully with care. Have a great day. She's nice. Okay, so let me open this. Okay, so first of all, let me look for the letter. Find it! Okay, so here's the letter. Hi Diamond Cute Charms, thank you so much for trading with me on Kik. It was fun seeing all of your pictures, of you. Have you sent to me? Sorry for a little bit of extras, but I hope that you could trade again. Miss Kawaii 16, Alexa. Thank you, Alexa, I love it. Okay, so, oops, this one was open. Okay, so first of all, she sent trade items. She sent this candy dispenser. And then she sent a Hello Kitty card or sticker, I believe. And then she sent a ribbon. And then she sent deco tape. Oh, that's cute. And then she sent this ribbon for ID card. I think you can hang your ID card. And then she sent this beautiful resin piece. Oh my god, that's so cute. Okay, and then she sent this Angry Birds made of tape. That's super cute. I love it. And then she sent extras. She sent this silly band. Oh, it's cute. Hello Kitty. Hello Kitty. Hello Kitty. And then she sent a lot of messages. Hi, look. You're funny. And then she sent this one. And this one. And she sent this cute pen. I love this one. And then she sent this Hello Kitty bracelet. Oh, that's cute. And then she sent another mustache. This one is a big one. Okay, and then she sent, oh, my little pudding bag. It's a little baggie. Look at that. That's cute. I love it, Alexa. And then she sent these stickers. A puppy stickers. I'm going to be using this on resin piece. That's for sure. And then she sent, yay, memo paper. She sent lots of memo paper. Whoa, that's a lot. She sent Hello Kitty. Another Hello Kitty. Another Hello Kitty. Hello Kitty with apples. Hello Kitty invitations. This one. Another Hello Kitty. Oh my god, Alexa, you sent so much. Thank you, I love it. And then she sent this little one. Stripes. Rilakkuma. She sent Rilakkuma. More Rilakkuma. Another Rilakkuma. Another Rilakkuma. More Rilakkuma. She sent this one. This is cute. That's so kawaii. Another kawaii one. Whoa, that's nice. And she sent another one. And another one. Another one. And another one. And she sent this one. And 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 this one. Whoa, girl, you sent a lot of memo paper. I love them all. And then she sent this one. It's a little memo book of Hello Kitty with mustache. Love it. And then she sent this one. Hello Kitty. Oh, that's cute. For my pen pals letters. And these baggies. They're gonna be using a lot to send a little bit more packages. So yeah, that's everything she sent. Thank you, Alexa. I love everything. And tomorrow I'm gonna be sending your package. So I hope you like it. Bye. Say bye, girls.